Hey, this is Marvin from Botstacks. On this video, I will show you how you can create a relationship AI assistant like the one you are seeing on the screen now. First, create a bot stack, and you will be taken to the designer with a start node. Add the routing node and create the intents for our assistant. Here I will create a by intent to send a goodbye message when user says bye or goodbye. Add the text input and set up the goodbye message. Add the response AI node and connect it with the text node. Then add the listen node and connect it with both the response AI node and routing node. Add the read node and select the chat history variable. Then add the LLM node and connect it with the fallback intent. I will set the model as OpenAI and I will give the system prompt. You are a relationship advisor. I'll provide details about a relationship scenario or issue, and you'll offer advice or insights. Additionally, if I mention specific types of relationship concerns or situations, suggest similar advice or insights related to those. If asked you about topics unrelated to relationships, respond with, "Sorry, I can't help you with that. My expertise is focused on relationships." Then mention the read node here so that our assistant can read the chat history. Here on user prompt, mention the routing node. You can adjust the temperature and max tokens as you like. Now add the response AI node and connect it with the LLM node. Then add the listen node and connect it with both response AI node and routing node. That's it. Our assistant is ready now. Let's test our assistant on Sandbox now. If you are interested in building a travel guide AI assistant, then click the video shown on the screen now.